Welcome back to our channel.
Hello friends, we put some more glue underneath the slide, and as I put these screws in, so I jacked it back up, it's holding it tight on the bottom. Then I'll put the screws in and we'll let this sit for a while, then we'll drop this down and move on to the next. Just to let it set up. This is part 3 of our slide ski. After we had our mobile tech help us out, we decided we did want to try to get some screws in the side rail after conversing with Mitch. And he's done several of these, so I think we are going to take his advice and put at least 4 of them in. I got the first one in. I'll go ahead and set the hole for the second. Make a little divot in the stainless steel. There's where we're going to drill. We're going to pre-drill a hole for the screw to go in. Then I'm going to get a smaller bit for the pre-drill the wood. Okay, we drilled our pilot through the stainless. We're going to pre-drill for the wood screw. Okay, we got the wood pre-drilled. I put a little bit of caulk, silicone caulk on our screw. Help seal it up as we drive it in. There we go, number 2, screws in. We got 2 more to do on this side.
Plus 3 more sides.
Yep.
How many is that total?
4 times 16.
16 total. Thanks, friends. Hope this helps you out. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.
Thanks for watching, friends.